Have you ever wondered if you could make those retro-looking embroidery circles people often use for home decor? The answer is yes, and I'm here to show you how. The first thing you have to do is acquire your materials. I got mine at Hobby Lobby, but they should have what you need at most craft stores. The materials that you will need are an embroidery hoop, cotton or linen cloth, sewing needles, and colored embroidery thread of your choice. Buying iron-on transfer designs is optional, but if you buy these, you must have an iron and ironing board at home. I usually choose to follow a design from iron-on transfer sheets. If you choose to do this, you will need to first heat your iron to a low setting and cut out the design you plan to use. If you choose not to go with a pre-made design, sketch your own onto the cloth. Take your desired cloth and desired design, line up the design so that there will be at least an inch of excess cloth around the design. Take your iron and lightly rub the paper, eventually transferring light ink onto the cloth. Now that you have your design on your cloth, cut it out of the cloth and fit it into your embroidery hoop. For most embroidery, you do not need to use the full 6 strands that come in embroidery thread. Pull it apart so you have 2 groups of 3 strands, and cut your desired length to begin. I will usually do about a foot of thread to start. Now choose your starting point and come in from the back of the cloth, weaving inward to the front and back out, following the design. Whenever you reach the end of your piece of thread, make sure there's about 2 inches left, stick through the back and tie it up. Once you've finished tracing along your design by embroidering, you will be finished. You can absolutely choose to fill in the blank spaces to add more color, but for this tutorial, I just outlined the design. That's really all there is to it. I hope you enjoy making your own at home. Have fun with it, and remember, it doesn't need to look absolutely clean and perfect. Try your best and enjoy yourself. Have fun crafting!